Hi and welcome back to the channel. So today, as part of the practical or the coding part for the implementation or the application of the binary search algorithm. So what we have done is that we are just going to go through it on leetcode itself. So we're looking into problem number 704, which is called the binary search. Now, it says that given an array of integers, nums, which is sorted in ascending order. Now, this should ring a bell. As soon as you hear that it's an array and it's sorted, and an integer target, write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index. Otherwise, return a -1. So there's lots of hints here. Look at this. So the runtime complexity for a binary search algorithm, the worst time I think is O of log n. And then for the best case scenario, it's going to be big O of 1, which is going to be in constant time. Okay, so here's an explanation. If we're looking for 4, then we should, rather, if we're looking for target number 9 in this array, then we know that's going to be at index number 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hence, we have 4 as the output. And then otherwise, what happens is that if we have 2 as the target, we know that there's no 2 here. 2 does not exist. That's the expected outcome. So without any further ado, let us jump straight into it. I like it. I'll just do a thumbs up there and say, okay, fine. We know that our binary search requires that as we begin, our left will be at index 0, and then our right will be at index num dot length minus a 1. Okay, and then say, okay, while left is less than or equals to right, then what we need to do is we need to say midpoint is going to be left plus into right minus left. Then we just need to divide by a 2. All right, so the condition is that if target is equals to the contents of mid, then it means that we have found what we're looking for. We are returning the index, which is mid. And then otherwise, if else if the target is less than the contents of the mid, then it means that we know that it's, if it is less, it means that it should be on the left hand side. Then we need to move right to the mid minus a 1 minus a 1, excuse me. And then afterwards, then what we need to do is we need to factor in the last case. When it's greater, then we know that it should be on the right hand side of the subarray. Okay, otherwise, if we find ourselves in this situation and we haven't found anything, it means we can just return number -1. So let us run it. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, this error at line number 9, 8, and then here is line number 9. So let's see, mid else if target is less than, oh, it's nums, sorry, that was my bad. It's nums, not num. Okay, cool, it has accepted the cases. Let's do a submission. All right, beautiful, awesome. So